As you can see, the tokenomics are here and about 75% is allocated to the community. In this video, I will show you how to significantly increase your Goats airdrop by following these steps. Let's get started. First, go to the Goats platform. The first thing you need to do is a daily check-in, which takes no time at all. Watch these 3 videos. This also takes very little time. Finally, the last step is to get the Goat Pass by donating a ton to the Goats. In exchange, they will reward you with over 2 million Goats and 200 plus spin tickets, which is amazing. Make sure to proceed at your own discretion. But I have personally done everything on my second account. But as I said that the 75% of the airdrop is for community, so that's why I invested about $30 because I think that it will give us some good profit. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.